So yeah, welcome to pit lane. We're waiting to go. We've got Club 4-wheel drive assembling up there. I'm in Club 2-wheel drive. I qualified first out of the top 5, so that's nice. We're just waiting to go.
Did they tell you which number you start first? Or?
I don't know actually. Who tells me which order we're starting in?
Usually there's somebody. I think these guys are.
These guys. Yep. Yep. Well, that answers that question. Dritter. So, quick spec overview while we're waiting in the pit lane. It's an Alpine A110S. It's the rental car from Rent for Ring, so seats, harnesses, roll cages, 2 kilo fire extinguisher down there. Continuing on the spec, we're using our custom Ohlins TTX suspension, so that's TTX coilovers, standard anti-roll bars, standard control arms, ProTrack wheels. I think we're running a 245 on the front and a 265 on the rear, and I'm running Yokohama AO52s, ultimate Japanese performance to match the endless MA45B brake pads. And that's it. Standard power, standard gearbox, running it in track mode. Stability control, I could turn it off if I wanted to, but to be honest, it only kicks in after I've already lost a load of time from sliding too much. It's full wet. In the dry, these guys had served me a flipping hot dish of gapple sauce, but it's wet now, so who knows. We got okay, that's P1 gone. We've got a 10-second gap between each car. We've got 1 out lap. One fast lap, 1 in lap. Okay, it's all about the corner exit. Here we go. Full gas. Early on the brakes. It might look like we're all over the track, but trust me, there's method to my madness. Doing some corner entries here, boys. Come on. Woo! Send it. das, Junge, schick das. Ah, we ate him alive. We ate him alive. Ho, ho, ho. 236 in the absolute sopping wet. That is my best lap of the day in the full wet. I don't think anybody can argue this is full wet. Oh, these yellows have been on all day, by the way. I like having somebody to chase. It brings out the best in me, best/worst. These guys are obsessed with the ideal lines. Nice. All right, so I've just been told I don't need to worry about that Evo because I think we just won by 11 seconds. I'll find out. You'll find out more.